SDS technology delivers a silver bullet solution that addresses both water shortage and reduces flooding at the same time. Here are 4 examples of SDS's work from around the UK. At Blackburn's Farm Nurseries and Wildlife Centre near Preston, their SDS installation is enabling them to capture rainwater and use it to grow crops for the local community.
It's just a simple system. The whole process is nice, and it's also really good for us to teach people the education around reusing water and obviously holding water back out of the system as well for flood alleviation.
Ray Green suffers with flooding, so we wanted to kind of come in and look at what we could do to kind of support the local community in terms of rainwater harvesting, water reuse, which then helps with kind of reducing that sewer overwhelm and reductions in flooding as well. We really value our relationship with SDS. We don't really feel like there's anyone else who's doing the things that they're doing.
In Ray Green, residents like Pat Stevens are equipped with SDS IntelliStorm water butts that can operate in series to reduce local flooding.
It always strikes me as being an absolute waste when there's floods everywhere and whatever. So the idea of actually reutilising some of the rainwater, which is the best quality water we can get, seemed to be common sense.
And this thing gets a weather forecast update every hour. Pretty much says, is it going to rain? If the answer is yes, how much is it going to rain? And then with knowledge about how big the roof is and knowledge about how much water there is in this tank, it decides whether it needs to let any of that water out.
At Forton Primary School, SDS kit enables toilets to be flushed with rainwater and stops flooding on the school site and in the local village.
Does it come out of the giant tanks and go to like all the toilets in this school?
It goes and flushes your toilets, which is amazing. We are very aware of the impact it's having on our school. Forton is a village that does flood. Our school grounds flood. Our dell where the tanks are has flooded, hasn't flooded since. We are collecting our water, which makes us all feel very proud because we know it's actually having a positive impact on our school grounds and our children are being educated at the same time.
At Plymouth Argyle Football Club, SDS Tech helps the football club replace tens of thousands of litres of mains water with rainwater.
The 40,000 litres of tanks recover all that rainwater, and then when the irrigation starts, they're able to pull that out and deliver it to their header tank, basically, at the opposite end of the stadium. The total amount of water going downstream from here is reduced, which helps to reduce the flooding, but there's still some water that comes out here because the last thing you want is taking out the natural water from this kind of environment.
One of the things I'm keen to kind of deliver is that the greens really do remain green, that green is not just our colour, but actually live and breathe exactly what we're describing today.